let us begin with our third concept. Here we would be discussing basically three major topics. That would be, first would be models for project replication, then we would be moving to replication and scaling up cycle, then we would be discussing about phases of replication. So let us begin with models of replication, then we would be moving to our other topics. So here in replication model we go for ways and ways of copying the successful features of a large scale project. Then we go on adapting methods of reapplying similar concept in a different settings to copy similar favorable results. So this is what we do in replication. As I have mentioned, there are three models like replication, scaling up and mainstreaming. Then we are now talking about its features, as we can see on the right hand side of it. So scaling up would be increasing the scale of geographical coverage for a pilot project, then increasing the institutional scope to handle larger projects. And in case of mainstreaming, it would be providing a framework and a model for future development in the same field. This is I guess this is clear now. So we would be moving to our next topic, that would be replication and scaling up of the cycle. What we do here is we the lessons which we have learned from our each project, that has to be noted down and those are outlined, and then the significance of the lesson learned or the methodology we have implemented are taken into consideration. And with that we go on to plan on when, how, where to replicate that strategies. Like you have some previous or past experience, and those play a vital role in framing your present project. It is the same way the learnings from the important learnings which we can implement in this project are being utilized here. Then next we go for target audience for the knowledge repository. So then we go for tools for replication and scaling up of the models. So this is how we conduct our replication and scaling up of our cycle. I hope this is clear now. Now we would be moving to next, that would be phases to replication. As I mentioned, there are three phases. In building phase, we have to make sure that the stakeholders are aware of the project, and we have complete support and enthusiastically involvement from them. In bidding phase, that is justification phase, we need to maintain a clear transparency in finances, so as to avoid any future conflict regarding the finance. Next, if we talk about information phase, then the dissemination, which means the transfer of information, should be from starting from project proposal phase to the project closure phase. So these are the three phases of replication. Here I would also like to add the key areas of replication for projects. That would include learning for implementation and replication of environmentally beneficial strategies, incorporation of successful approaches of implementation, and then illustrated socio-economic benefits. Then would be expand the lessons learned for replication, causal relationship with of actions and outcomes, developing and understanding for monitoring strategies, and involvement in future project planning. So this was our discussion for this concept. Next we would be taking a case study on our next slide.